2003 Infinity Qx4 V6. Couldn't find a video anywhere on how to do the compressor. Wanted to take the air box off. 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 4 10mm that held the air box on. Undo a couple vacuum lines, get the air box out of the way. There's a 12mm on the front of the pulley. Loosen it down there. Have to go under the vehicle. Skid plate off. 5 10mm. Loosen the belt from the bottom. 2 12mm right here for the AC lines. After you vacuum the system down, take the AC lines off. Here's the plug for the compressor here and here. Unplug that, and you have 4 bolts. One there, one there, one there, one down there. They are 14s, I believe. Yep, 14s. It's not a hard job at all. Once you get the air box out of the way, get the belt off. I'll show you when I get it out. You see the last 2 bolts? Got that one loose. You're just going to need to leave it in the compressor to pull it out. One more bolt there. Oh, this is the bolt for the tensioner I was talking about. Get the belt off. Get that last bolt off that compressor, and then it'll come out. Like I said, 4 bolts hold it on. 2 12s off for AC lines, 4 14s, and the belt tensioner. Have her blowing cold in no time. She's blowing ice cold. Yes, it is.